we'll guide you through how to register a domain on Namecheap. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed on the homepage. Enter the domain name you have in mind and click on the search icon or press enter. Namecheap will then show you if your desired domain is available. If it's available, you'll see a list of options with different domain extensions like .com, .net, or .org. Choose the one that suits your needs best. If the domain is unavailable, Namecheap will suggest alternative names or extensions. Once you have the perfect domain, click on the Add to Cart button next to it. Next, click on the shopping cart icon at the top right corner of the page to proceed to checkout. Here, you'll have the option to choose additional services like domain privacy protection, which is highly recommended to keep your personal information secure. Review your order and click on Confirm Order. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by entering your email, password, and other necessary details. If you already have an account, simply log in. You'll then reach the payment page where you can choose your preferred payment method. Enter your payment details and confirm the purchase. After completing the payment, you'll receive a confirmation email from Namecheap. You can now manage your new domain from your Namecheap account dashboard. It's that simple to secure your online presence with a domain name. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.